Today I'm transplanting peppers for the second time, and you want to know why, when, and how. In this video, I'm going to answer those questions and then give a full demonstration of the transplant method that I use. There's two reasons why I'm transplanting again. The first is space. Right now I can't put the pepper out in the greenhouse, it's a little too early, and I don't have space inside. Second reason is I'm using fresh potting mix, so I'm giving fresh nutrients to the peppers. And also it's going to allow the peppers to develop a better root system, which will make it grow more fruit. If you look at this pepper plant for the size of the pot, I can tell it's getting root bound and it needs to get out of here. First thing I'm going to do is add some potting mix to this larger pot. Then I'm going to take the other pepper plant, put it in my fingers, flip it upside down, squeeze it a bit, pull it out, and put it into the bigger pot. And then I'm just going to add potting mix all the way around. Okay, so I've completed the transplant of the pepper, and once I've done all the peppers, they're going to go in the back under grow lights until April, and then I'm going to do a final transplant into grow bags that are going to go in the greenhouse. Do you transplant peppers more than once? I'd love to hear the answers to those questions in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and feel free to subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time.